Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to access member only videos on YouTube. Alright, so let's begin. First, open your preferred web browser. In this example, I'll be using Google Chrome. Once your browser is open, go to youtube.com. Next, navigate to the channel whose members only videos you want to watch. For this example, I'll use the iShow Speed channel, but the same steps apply to any YouTube channel. Once you're on the channel page, click on the videos tab. Here you'll find a members only filter selected to view videos that are exclusive to channel members. If you click on one of these videos, YouTube will display a message indicating that the content is available only to members. To gain access, click the join button. Next, choose your preferred payment method such as a credit card and enter your payment details. After completing the purchase, your membership will be activated and you'll be able to watch all of the channel's members only videos, and that's it. This is how you can access member only videos on YouTube. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.